Greetings, ninth graders. This is Mr. Rogers. Obviously, I'm out, but I wanted to give you just a quick overview of Part B of Strange New Worlds before you get going on it. For Part B, you're going to be working with your elbow partner. And so that'd be the person you're sitting next to. And if you're not sitting next to somebody, if you're a lone wolf, you have the choice of either finding another lone wolf in the class to join, or just work by yourself, whichever is more fitting for what you would prefer. But let's talk a little bit about what this game entails and how you would play it. So with your elbow partner, you are going to have one person have one link open and the other person have the other link open. The two links you can see and will be able to access through task 2 on today's direction page. The one link here is to the game, the Socrative game. So if I click on that, just remember that our room number, because we've used this one before in the past, room number is Rogers E Sci. That stands for Earth Science. Hit the join button and then put in you and your partner's names, and then hit done. Me, myself, and I. It's a trio this time. And when you do that, then you'll get a series of questions that you'll answer using the NASA webpage. So if we go back and look at the second link, your partner will have the second link open, which is another extension of this NASA website on exoplanets. It's pretty cool. In this website, or portion of their website, they go into more detail on a few of these exoplanets. We've had over 6,000 confirmed. But what do we know about some of these? And so they kind of do a nice blend here of factual knowledge that we have right now, along with a little bit of an extended guess as to what that might imply. So what we're going to look at here are not 100% certainties, but potential possibilities of what these planets are like. When you and your partner are playing the game, you need to be in this section right here, which says Tour the Galaxy. You just scroll down a little bit to get to it, and you'll see several different planets. This one is Kepler 16b, the land of two suns. And what you want is, you don't want the guided tour or the poster. You want to click on this right here, Explore the Surface. And when you click on that, it should open up the kind of almost like a video game style here, of a surface, which you can manipulate with your mouse pad, and you can move it around. Anytime you have labels that when you hover over them, they turn into a blue box, that means there's some additional information for you. So if you click on double shadows, it tells you a bit about the double shadows. It tells you a bit about these two stars that are in that this planet is in orbit around. And just look around, because there might be one or two other places that you could click that would give you information, which would help you to answer the questions that are popping up in the Socrative game. There's Kepler 16b, for example. So that's how you play the game. When you are done with this one, then you just move on to, I would say hit the back button, then move on to the next planet, 55 Cancri E, which is a lava planet. So again, you would explore the surface and answer questions there. Oops. Let me hit the back button again. TRAPPIST 1E is another one where you would explore the surface. And to get to the last one, you would click this right button arrow, and that would push it over into Kepler 186f, which you could also explore that surface and answer questions there. And that's how you play the game. There should be, I believe, a couple questions for each of these planets. So take your time, explore a little bit. Like, for example, on this one, you could add an atmosphere just to change the conditions a little bit, which also might create some other situations, which you can read about. And you can click on different things here, like about the hypothetical water, hypothetical plant life, and so on. And so, yeah, if you can't find the answer, then you just haven't looked far enough. Maybe it's something up in the sky, maybe it's up in the clouds, maybe it's down on the ground itself. But look around, click on these different things, and find the answers to what you're looking for. Yeah, and that's the name of the game. Once you and your partner are done, you'll do a screenshot. And then I suppose the easiest thing to do is to share the screenshot with your partner, perhaps email them a copy of the screenshot, then you can both put it into your Google document for the lab, and then you're done. Then you can hit submit on Schoology. And then just wait quietly for the rest of the class to catch up, and then we'll wrap up the day today. So that's the name of the game for part B. Should take probably about 10, 15, 20 minutes, depending on how you're progressing. So when you're ready to do that, go ahead and jump on in. All right, good luck, everybody. We'll see you on the other side of it.